Renting land for solar panels involves collaboration between landowners and solar developers. Here's a brief guide. Identify suitable land. Locate land suitable for solar installations based on factors like sunlight exposure, accessibility, and proximity to electrical infrastructure. Research solar developers. Connect with solar developers or energy companies that are interested in leasing land for solar projects. Research their reputation and track record. Express interest. Express your interest in leasing the land for solar panel installations. Provide details about the location, size, and potential benefits of your property. Negotiate lease terms. Engage in negotiations with interested solar developers. Discuss lease terms, including rental rates, lease duration, and any additional conditions or responsibilities. Legal agreements. Draft comprehensive legal agreements outlining the terms and conditions of the lease. This may involve legal professionals to ensure a fair and well-structured contract. Site assessment. Allow the solar developer to conduct a site assessment to ensure the land is suitable for solar installations. This may involve environmental impact studies and engineering assessments. Permitting and approvals. Collaborate with the solar developer to obtain necessary permits and approvals from local authorities. Compliance with zoning regulations and environmental standards is crucial. Construction and installation. Once agreements are finalized and approvals obtained, the solar developer will proceed with the construction and installation of solar panels. Receive rental payments. Receive rental payments according to the agreed upon terms. Payments are typically periodic and based on the lease contract. Maintain communication. Maintain open communication with the solar developer throughout the lease period. Address any concerns promptly and work collaboratively for a successful and sustainable partnership.